Hello everyone. In this video, I'll talk about a hosting service called Hostinger. This hosting allows you to get high-quality service at an affordable price. By clicking the link in the description, you can get a bonus. So, for example, I chose the premium plan. Let's move on. I want to point out that for you and the viewers of this video, there is a great discount of up to 68% available via the link in the description. Go ahead and claim your bonuses. The information about the discount terms will also be in the description of this video. If you purchase a 12-month or longer plan, you'll get a free domain and a great discount. You can also choose to pay for 24 or 48 months. As for me, I'll pay for just 1 month and show you an example. Let me remind you that the link for up to 68% off is in the description of this video. Now, let's continue. You can log in with an email and password or register. I'll register and then log in using my Google account. Confirm and proceed. Now, let's go through the verification process. I'll fill in all the necessary details and move on to the next step. In the next step, we select the payment method, and I choose CoinGate, cryptocurrency. Click, and we move to the next step. For example, you can choose USDT or any other token. Let's say USDT suits us. We click Continue, choose the Tron network, confirm the email address, and transfer the funds to the provided account. Now, let's move on to the personal dashboard. After the payment, we return to the dashboard and continue the setup in the Websites section. For instance, you choose whether the site is for yourself or someone else, and then proceed. To create a site, I will create a website. Moving on. For example, you can choose a platform, WordPress or Hostinger Website Builder. Let's choose Hostinger Website Builder, which is a unique offering from Hostinger that includes artificial intelligence to help build the site. Click Next. Here, we enter the domain name. For example, you've chosen a site name, entered it here, and click Next. Next, you might pay for the domain, and payment is pending. You can complete the purchase after creating the website, and then proceed directly to the website creation. It's that simple. The artificial intelligence will create our site in just a few minutes. Click Start. You'll need to fill in all the fields, such as the type of site, a landing page, let's say, the brand name, and a description. That's it. In principle, the website is created by simply filling out a few fields. Now, let's take a look. Create a website. Let's see how this website is created and what we'll get in the end. What kind of landing page will Hostinger provide us? Will this landing page be truly interesting and of high quality? We only filled out a few fields, and we'll see the result soon. Let's see what it will be. Yes, this result really makes sense. The site looks quite beautiful and harmonious, and it includes everything we need. It's clear at first glance. And look, it's actually quite good. We have a header, where all the necessary data is located, our service, and so on, a contact form, and our projects. Excellent, this is a very solid result. We can also check the site on a mobile device or go back. You can return to the form and regenerate the website to see if the result will be the same or different. Let's wait and see. Yes, here's the new site, and the result is different, but no less attractive. On the main page, we have a banner with a captivating video. Then, we have blocks that encourage potential clients to place an order with us. At the same time, we can make edits to our site using the builder. You can add text, buttons, videos, galleries, an Instagram widget, and much more. We also have navigation management, which is very convenient. There are style settings and various other tools, an image generator, text creator, page generator via artificial intelligence, save assistant, logo generator, and much more. All of this is created using artificial intelligence, and it's very convenient. We also have an online store that we can set up. It's a very simple setup. By going there, you can choose a text or block and make edits to it. This can also be done manually. For example, you can change the text, move it wherever you want, add images, text, or any blocks and sections. You can rearrange, hide, create new sections, or delete and copy sections. There are a lot of options. We can hide elements on mobile devices or desktops as needed. As you can see, this feature is toggled. You can create and add images. At the bottom, there's an assistant, powered by AI. When we return to the dashboard, we see that there are 2 domains in the Websites section. On one domain, our first website was generated, and on a technical domain, the second version of the website was created. Let's take a look. Here's our first version, and here's the second version, the one with the video. Of course, we can perform various actions with the domains, link them to websites, delete websites, and so on. In the domain section, you can see that we have our domain, which can be purchased, and on it, our website will be hosted. Next, we can create a site on it, delete it, and create a new one using artificial intelligence. This will be very convenient, and you can experiment. By clicking the Buy button, you can purchase the domain. We also have VPS, which you can purchase. In the billing section, all the necessary settings are available, and I think you'll easily figure everything out. There's nothing complicated about it. And with that, I'll wrap up. Thank you for your attention.